This is the Amada punching turret CNC machine. This is same also as Trump, but Trump is the very fast. This is not this machine not compare with Trump, but same punching, and this machine also punching as per engineering drawing what given in the drawing. This machine also following. There is also program getting, and this machine following this program. Operator after running this piece. This is the third number Amada AE2510, and this is same. My machine have like that 5 Amada, and this punching finish after operator separating these pieces. There is an automatic punching machine. This machine inside engineers making the drawing, and they will be sent the program. Machine automatically following the program. This is a CNC punching machine Amada. This is the design. What design? This machine automatically follows. There is the control. Okay.